Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Miss Rena, and for today's video discussion, we are going to talk about investments. So, whether you put your money in the bank, in the stock market, or in bonds, you invest your money. So, what you earn on your investment differs. So, with cash deposits as well as with savings accounts, fix yung interest rate natin. So, you know, or you will have an idea on how much you will earn after a certain period of time. But with stocks and bonds dividend, it can vary kasi nakasalalay to dun sa takbo ng stock market or on how consumers react to the corporations. So, kung paano naaapektuhan ng inflation, yung presyo ng mga stocks and bonds. So, mas volatile to compared with your savings account and cash deposit. So, ito kasi mababa yung risk. So, you have a fixed interest rate. But, the calculations we can make about our accounts are similar. Kasi dito naman sa stocks and bonds, meron naman silang mga forecast. So, kaya nilang i-predict meron silang mga constraints na sinusunod. So, they can give you a pretty good idea on how much you will earn after a certain period of time. So, based na rin yun sa past or previous performances ng company or corporation that you invested to. So, let's talk about stocks muna. So, stocks are shares in a corporation. The price of each share will vary according to the perceived value of the share by investors. So when many investors want to buy shares of a certain company, the price per share goes up. So kapag maraming gustong mag-invest or maraming gustong uh, mag kasi kaya sila kumukuha ng investment to grow their company, 'di ba? So if you will invest into their company, they will have money in their circulation to improve or to expand their company. So kapag marami yung investor na gustong invest dun sa company nila, kaya nilang mag-expand, kaya nilang palaguin yung business nila. And it is also the same the other way around. When many investors want to sell shares of a company, the price per share goes down. So, share ko lang. Right now, if you are familiar with cryptocurrency, ayan, parang iyon yung pinakang relevant at the moment eh. So, there is this cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. I am pretty sure medyo narinig nyo na naman ang Bitcoin somewhere. And right now, sobrang nag-dump, sobrang baba nung value ng Bitcoin kasi maraming nagsa-sell out. So they are losing their trust in this cryptocurrency. Kukunti na yung nag-i-invest, kukunti na yung nag-hold ng investment nila. Mas marami yung nagbebenta. This is partly because of the bad publicity it gained from a very famous tech personality. Ayun, CEO siya ng Tesla. His name is Elon Musk. And ayun, meron tayo ngayon tinatawag na FUD in the cryptocurrency community. So marami yung may fear, uncertainty, and doubt towards Bitcoin. And imagine from 64,000 just a few days ago or just a couple of weeks ago, now it is down to about 44,000. Approximation ko lang tong 44,000 ha. Yes. So from 64,000, which is grabe, 'di ba? $64,000. This is about 2.6 million in Philippine peso. Ito yung all-time high ng Bitcoin. And right now, talagang nag-dump siya. My God. Around ano na lang yung value niya ngayon? Around, let me just check. Maybe around 2.2 or 2.3 million. So imagine yung 300,000 na nawala. And ito, hindi to expected. It is not expected to go down this low, but because of many different factors, nag-dump siya. And hopefully, ito na talaga yung pinakang dulo. Kasi may investment din ako dito. So hopefully, hindi na siya ayan, 43,000 na lang pala ngayon. Diyos ko po. Ayan. So, hopefully this is the lowest that it can go before it pumps up ulit. Kasi at the end of this year, this is expected to hit 3 300,000 or about $210,000. Ayan. So, more than twice, more than thrice of its current all-time high, which is 64,000. But because of bad publicity and because of the fear and uncertainty in the Bitcoin community, talagang nagda-dump yung value niya. This is the same as stocks. So kapag ka marami yung nagsa-sell out, pagka marami yung umaalis, the price per share goes down. So, sa stocks, in order to reward shareholders of profitable companies, yung mga strong na talaga na companies, meron silang tinatawag na dividends. So, the company will declare a dividend usually on a quarterly basis. So, kapag ka nag-gain sila after a certain quarter, merong marireceive yung mga investors nila na profit without them selling out their shares. So let's look at this example. We have a friend here named Joe. Joe buys 100 shares of Company A at a price of $10 per share on January 2. The stock pays a quarterly dividend of $1.50. So Joe sells his share on January 2 of the next year at a price of $12 per share. What is the total return on his investment? A, in cash, and B, in percent. So let's start with A muna. So for A, hanapin natin yung total na return on his investment, yung tinatawag nating ROI, return of investment, in cash. Simulan natin dun sa puhunan niya. So magkano ba yung capital niya? So Joe bought 100 shares at $10 per share. So in total, it is 100 shares times $10. So, magkano yung capital ni Joe? That is about, or that is exactly $1,000. So, this is his capital. Okay? Now, at the end of 1 year, hanapin natin yung profit niya. So, yung profit niya from his investment will be equal to $12 na siya. Eh, hindi siya nagbenta ng kahit isang share dun sa buong isang taon. So, buong-buo pa rin yung 100 shares niya. So, for the profit, it is, of course, 100 shares times $12 minus yung capital niya, which is 1,000. So, all in all, meron siyang 1,200. Napalago niya yung 1,000 niya into 1,200. Bawasin natin yung 1,000 niya. So, may profit siya na $200. So, this is his profit from the investment alone. Pero meron pa siyang profit sub 2. Tawagin natin tong profit sub 1 for investment lang. Meron siyang profit sub 2 and this profit sub 2 is actually from dividends earned. So, January 2 of the next year, ibig sabihin naka-isang taon siya, meron tayong 4 na quarters. Okay? So, sa profit 2 niya, meron siyang $1.50 times 4 kasi nakaapat na quarter siya. So, all in all, meron siyang additional na $6. Okay, so how much is his total ROI, return of investment? So, the total ROI is equal to profit 1 plus profit 2 which is equal to 200 plus $6. All in all, nag-gain siya ng $206 from his initial investment of $1,000. Okay? Okay. Ayan. Hindi pa tayo tapos kasi may letter B pa tayo. Lagay natin dito. Since percentage lang naman to, sobrang basic lang naman yung pagkuha. So, to get the percentage in the total return of investment, gamitin lang natin yung formula natin na percentage is equal to base times the rate. Kuha kayo ng calculator. Ay, but may point. Okay, so we have the percentage is equal to base times the rate, right? So, since we are only looking for the rate, or yung in percents nung ROI niya, we are going to use P over B is equal to R. And that is equal to, ang percentage natin, of course, is the total ROI, 206. I-divide natin siya dun sa total na puhunan niya, which is the base. Total capital, we have 1,000. You're going to end up with 0.206 or 20.6%. So this is the total ROI, return of investment, from his capital of 1,000. That is 20.6%. Okay? Okay. I hope that I was able to make that clear. Let's see.